Hi friends! Today I'm going to show you how to draw this cute dolphin. Let's get started. Let's start with the head and draw a semicircle which is a little bit tilted to the left side, which means the left part will be a little bit more curved than the right one. And from the right end of this curve, I will draw one curved line that looks like a water slide. Next, let's draw his nose, and it's gonna be a sideways U shape. Now for the belly, we are going to draw one big nice curve, which will finish approximately here. Firstly, it will go parallel to the back line. And then it will form big semicircle. From this corner near the nose, we are going to draw one short curved line, like this. Now from the middle of the nose, we will draw small curve going down, and then turn and go back up, and it will finish near that short line, like so. Now we can draw a line which will separate belly from the darker part of the body. We will start near the mouth and go down. Here we will stop and add one U shape for the flipper, like this. And we will go on the same line and turn it into curve, which will go all the way until the tail. Now we can add another flipper, and it will add a bit of a dimension to our drawing. And dolphins have one more fin on the back. It is the same shape as the other fins. Now the tail is missing. Let's fix that. I will draw two curves forming a semicircle again. Two straight lines going towards the center. And I will add a curved V connecting those two lines. It looks great so far. And to finish the drawing, I will add the eye. One circle with two highlights inside. If you want, you can add a blowhole. So now when the line work is done, we can start coloring, and when the whole drawing is complete, we can think of the ways to get creative with our cute dolphin. Let's start coloring. Alright guys, we are done coloring, and I am really happy with the result. So now when you learn how to draw a dolphin, you can start adding more details to this drawing to make it more interesting. Just a couple of samples for your inspiration. You can maybe add water splashes underneath, like he's jumping out of the sea, or add a cute baby dolphin nearby. And this is it for today. Thanks for joining me, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye!